I'm going to show you how to set models in ChatGPT. So ChatGPT by default is set to auto model, but you can easily specify which one you want to use by simply selecting it. And I'm going to show you how you can do that. To do that, all you have to do is click on ChatGPT at the top on your phone there and click on the model. Here you can see auto, but you can choose, for example, thinking or instant, whichever one. But if you even want to use even a legacy model, you can tap on that and you can select specific model that you want, and it's going to use that specific model, right? So this is how you can easily do it. Now if you even want to find more legacy models, you can go ahead and you can turn that on by expanding the sidebar, going to your account, and just basically go to where it says general, and here you have legacy model. You turn that option on, and so once you go back into ChatGPT, select the models, click on legacy, you have a whole lot more to choose from. So that's it. That's how you turn on and use models in ChatGPT. Once you select the model, you can now start speaking with ChatGPT, and it's going to use the power of that model. But that's it.